Welcome to my channel, your ultimate destination for seasonal decor collaborations, where I take pride in my ability of turning discarded items from garage sales into stunning treasures and unleash the potential of affordable store finds. If you're searching for inspiration to elevate your home with beautiful budget-friendly decor, then you definitely landed in the right place. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and activate that notification button so you never miss any moment of creativity. Today I'm participating in a tissue paper exchange with Lisa from Loving's the Life and Karen from The Loft Home Decor, where we exchange tissues with a group of crafters. I sent my tissues to Charlene Craft Art Sharks. I received a lovely package, and this is it from Lisa, Loving's the Life, and these are the ones that she sent me. These are so beautiful, and we have to create between 1 to 3 DIYs using between 1 to 3 of these tissues. We also pick whether we want to craft for spring, summer, fall, or winter. I picked summer. Here's a postcard. Aurea, thank you for joining us again. Hope you like the tissues I chose. Happy crafting, Lisa. And Lisa also sent these beautiful stickers. I have this beautiful frame from Dollar Tree. I'm going to be removing the jewel twine along with the entire front. I'm going to be removing these 4 corners only because I'm going to be reusing it. I'm going to put these to the side and I'll be back with them a little later. In the meantime, I'm going to go ahead and use lots of Mod Podge, and I will be using this particular tissue. I am in love with this tissue. I think this is so beautiful. So I'm going to go ahead and cut it to size. And again, I'll be using a lot of Mod Podge. The entire board is already covered, so now I'm going to go ahead and take the tissue and place it right on top of the board, making sure to have the minimum wrinkles or bubbles. And this one came out pretty good. I didn't have to use my little iron. Once everything is in place, I'm going to go ahead and put it to the side and just sway a little bit, and then I'll just be back with it. But in the meantime, I'm going to take these 4 borders and I will be giving it 2 coats with white chalk paint. Now I'm going to come back to this board, and with a nail file, I'm going to go ahead and sand all the excess tissue paper away. all the 4 borders now are completely dry. So now with some hot glue, I'm just gonna go ahead and start gluing them right here, back in place actually. Guys, I should have covered those holes before putting them in place, but no big deal. I'll be covering that up in a few and you won't even notice that those holes are right there. I'm going to be using the jute twine, the same jute twine that I took away from it, but I'll just be gluing it in the back. You'll see. Repurposing this helm. I think this looks beautiful the way it is and the color matches the project that I'm currently doing. I'll be using some more hot glue and I will be placing it right on top of this frame that we just created. This looks absolutely beautiful. I also have an anchor and I am going to do the same thing. I'm going to be putting 2 Jenga blocks right on top. I want to make it look 3D. Elevated, and then I will be putting it on top of the helm. I am delighted at how beautiful this turned out. However, I value your thoughts as well. So please share your comments in the comment section. And now for the final reveal. Today's open collaboration, graciously hosted by Lisa and Karen, has brought together a diverse group of talented creators, and I'm kindly requesting you to visit their channels as well as the playlist, which I will make sure to provide in the description box. It would mean a great deal to us creators if you show your appreciation and support by subscribing, sharing, and liking to our channels. Your love and engagement means a great deal to all of us. I purchased these 2 beautiful glass bottles at Dollar Tree. I'm gonna go ahead and fill it up with this Epsom salt. I think they look much better with this Epsom salt in the inside. And now let's go ahead and decorate it. I'm going to continue to use the same tissue paper, and I'll be cutting 2 pieces 1 inch wide. I'm going to go ahead and continue to use Mod Podge. I'm going to put a really thin layer of Mod Podge around the bottom of this jar, and then little by little I'll be placing this tissue paper. Continuing to use a little bit more Mod Podge. I just want to make sure that this bottom portion right here is nice and sealed. Let's continue to decorate it. I'm going to be using lots of hot glue around the bottle, and then I have this hemp cable from Temu, and it is braided. I am loving it. This is the first time that I'm using it, and I really do like it. I think it gives it that nice touch. Now I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I also have this anchor that I will be placing it right here. Isn't that beautiful? I am loving it. Now on the second bottle, I'm going to go ahead and use some more Mod Podge and the same same tissue paper, I'm going to go ahead and place it on the upper side, coming along with more hot glue, and I will be also using the same hemp cable, and this one will also have an anchor. And I think these projects came out absolutely gorgeous. I would like to express my sincere gratitude for your dedication to watching my videos until the end, until the very end. Your support means the world to me, and I genuinely appreciate each and every one of you. If you enjoy my crafts showcase on this video, I kindly request that you consider subscribing, sharing, and liking. Now, my dear friends, for the final reveal.